Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to stream your Android screen to your Windows 11 computer. First, go to your phone and click Settings. Click About Phone and click 7 times to MIUI version section. You are developer now. Go back to your settings and scroll down for additional settings. Click Additional Settings. Scroll all the way down and click Developer Options. Now scroll a little bit down for USB debugging and activate it. Check the box downside and click OK. Now connect your phone to your PC via USB cable. Now go to your computer and open any browser. Go to search box and type Scrcpy. Go to GitHub page of the program and click Releases at the right side of the screen. Scroll a little bit down. Select which version you use Windows. I will select 64-bit and download it. Go to your Downloads folder and unzip the file. After unzipping, go to File folder and open it. There is only file you needed to open. This one, Scrcpy No Console VBS. Click it and it will start streaming your screen to your computer. If this video was helpful, please like video and subscribe my channel.